Good day, Sir Ben. I am Quintus Adrisa A.D. Malcolm, and I am the one of the reporters of Group 4. So, our second topic is all about the truth table. So, as stated here, that the truth table is a handy little logic device, a mathematical table used in logic specifically in connection with Boolean algebra, Boolean functions, and propositional calculus. And lastly, the truth table is a set of the functional values of logical expressions on each of their function arguments that is for each combination of values taken by their logical variables. So in the simplest word or in the simplest explanation or definition about the truth table is actually ganito siya. So from the word table, of course, it's kukonstruct tayo ng table. Yung pinaka itong topic natin is about a table siya. So we're going to construct a table. So sa table na iyon is nahati siya sa tatlong column. Which is yung first column, the second column, and then the third column. So, sa first column is later on makikita ninyo yung letter P, and sa first column, and the second column naman is Q, and then sa third column naman is P and Q. So, yung third column na yun, which is yung P and Q, is hindi lang siya nagsistick, tumagay, hindi lang all the time is P and Q yun siya. So, depende sa question or the problem. So going back, yung P, which is the first column, it contains letter P, now which is yung P na yun stands for logic statement, and same with the second column, which is yung Q, yung Q naman na yun is contains other terms of logic statement. And the third column naman is yung possible answer from the first and the second column. So now naman sa first and the second column is actually ang nakalagay dyan, or dyan natin nakikita yung kadalasan yung mga statements or mga arguments na it can be na pwede siyang maging false or true. And then sa third column naman is yun na yung magiging result natin if yung first column and second column na arguments or statement is nagsasabi ba ng totoo or hindi, which is like for example, yung magiging answer natin sa first statement is the false. So, mapupunta yan siya sa third column since yun yung doon natin ilalagay yung pinaka-result ng dalawang statement na gina-examine natin or gina-determine natin if nagsasabi ba ng totoo or hindi. So, that is the truth table. Tumbaga ba, ine-examine na natin, tumbaga parang pinag-aaralan natin if yung statement ba na yun sa column 1 and column 2 is totoo ba or hindi. So that is the simplest definition of the truth table. So in the truth table. So ano naman yung mga logical connectives ng truth table? So we have the 5 connectives used in propositional logic are the following, which is yung number 1 natin. Kapag makikita tayo, kapag ma-notice natin or makita natin itong symbol na ito, is ang meaning niya is and. And the second one naman, yung meaning niya, yung sign na yan or yung symbol na yan is not. And yung pa-V naman, yung number 3, yung pa-V naman na symbol, that is or. And yung parang arrow from the papunta sa right that is the implies. And the last one is the yung arrow both may sa left and then sa right side na arrow is ang meaning niyan is if and only if. So the next one is yung mga tatalakayin natin yung mga importance ng truth table. So again, yung truth table, sabi ko kanina, is a mathematical table na which is nahati siya sa tatlong column, and yung first and second column is doon nakalagay yung mga statements or arguments na pag-aaralan natin or i-examine natin, which is yung mga input, kung ano yung magiging yung mga, which is yung mga input or yung mga statements, kung ano yung magiging result niya, if yung statement na yun is nagsasabi ba ng totoo or hindi. So here's the importance of truth table. So the first one, it helps us determine all the truth value possibilities of various statements, help us better understand logic, used to define logical connectives, and helps us identify various distinctions such as the tautologies, self-contradiction, consistent statement, equivalent statement, and valid arguments. So, additionally, the importance of the truth table is nalalaman natin if yung statement ba na yun from the column 1 and column 2 is nasasabi ba ng totoo or hindi. So, ayan, totoo or hindi. And also, yung first column, second column is our possible outcome, or yan yung mga base, yung mga magiging base natin if yung statement ba na yon is nagsasabi siya ng totoo or hindi, or it can be either true or false. So that's all for the truth table.
My name is Fatima Ismael. So, as you can see here sa PPT is ito yung explain ni Sir last meeting. So, if nakinig kayo nung last meeting, maintindihan nyo yung explanation ko. So, as you can see here, meron tayong TT. Sa first column, meron tayong TTT. Sa second column is TFF. Sa third column is FTF. And sa last column is FFF. So, for example, itong ginawa ni Sir na example nung last meeting. So, as you can see here, ayan po. So, ayan. F and close parenthesis, P implies Q, close parenthesis. So, as you can see, mayroong P dito. So, etong P is, ayan yung ano niya, T, T, F, F. So, dito sa Q is T, F, T, F. So, as you can see, sa first column, dito, sa first niya is T. So, sa second din niya is T. So, that will be true. So, if TF naman, that will be false. Wait. Yes, false. So, pag FT naman, kasi FT naman is true. Then, pag FF, that will be true. Ganun lang siya. So, lahat ng pinakita ko dito na PPT is same din sila ng explanation. Hindi ko na masyado explain kasi na-explain na ni Sir. Basta kung nakinig kayo ng explanation ni Sir last meeting is maintindihan nyo talaga to. Like yun lang talaga. If sa P is T and sa Q naman is T, then sa P implies a Q is that will be true. And then pag TF naman, that will be false. Pag FT naman, that will be true. Pag FF naman, that will be true. So, yun lang po.
So, good day, sir. So, our topic today is all about the logical truth. So, the output value is always true. Kung baga nagsasabi siya ng hindi totoo, pero hindi totoo, pero yung true pala is totoo yung example. Sabi niya, hindi daw siya uuwi. Kunwari nasa abroad siya, sabi niya hindi daw siya uuwi habang buhay. So, ang totoo pala is umuwi siya. Ganon. Kumbaga, nagsasabi siya ng kasinungalingan tapos yung totoo, totoo talaga. Kung yun lang, for example nga, sabi niya hindi siya uuwi. Tapos yung totoo, ilang days nakauwi na pala siya. Ganon. So, pangalawa is the logical false. Yan na yung mali. Kumbaga, for example, kabaliktaran lang doon sa logical, true. Yun. Kumbaga, for instance, nagsabi siya ng nagpasok daw siya, nag-aral daw siya. Pero yung totoo, hindi talaga siya pumasok, hindi siya nag-aral, ganun. Kumaga, makasinungalingan, hindi totoo, ganun. Yung reality niya talaga is never true, ganun. So, dito naman sa logical identity is, yan na yung, kumbaga, true is true, false is false. Kung ano yung sinabi niya, totoo na yun. Kung anong makatotohanan yung, kumbaga, totoo yung sinabi niya, it means totoo na talaga yung sinabi niya. If ever naman na mali yung sinabi niya, mali talaga. Walang kasinungalingan dyan. True is true, false is false. Kaya nga logical identity is on operation on one legal value P for which the output value remain P. Yun na yun siya. Doon naman sa logical true and false is parang nagkabaliktaran lang sila. Nagsabi siya ng doon sa logical true, nagsabi siya ng mali. Tapos yung totoo, yung totoo is totoo naman yung totoo pala. So, the logical false is nagsabi siya ng parang kapanipaniwala, pero reality, hindi naman talaga totoo yung sinabi niya, ganun. Tapos, logical identity is, yun. Kung ano yung sinabi niya, yun na yun. Kung ano yung mali, mali na yun. Kung ano yung totoo, totoo na yun.
Good day everyone, my name is Nadja Pagchilindungan. Today, I'm going to discuss the logical negation. Logical negation is an operation on the logical value. Typically, the value of proposition that produce a value of true is operand is false, and a value of false is operand is true. So, example nito is dito sa truth table is kapag tama is gagawin mong mali. Pag false naman is gagawin mong true. Ganun lang po. The next one is the logical conjunction. So, the logical conjunction, an operation of two logical values. Typically, the values of two propositions that produce a value of true if both of operand are true. P and Q also write it as dito sa PPT. So, kapag values ng P is true, tapos values naman ng Q is true din, ang result ng P and Q is true din. Kapag naman ang true tapos false dito sa values ng Q is magiging false talaga. Basta may false siya is false talaga. Understood na may false. Kapag false sa values ng P at saka values ng Q is false ang both is magiging false talaga yan ang result niya. So, the last one is logical disconjunction or. So, the logical disconjunction, an operation on two logical value. Typically, the values of two propositions that produce a value of true if at the last one of its operand is true. So, dito sa PPT is, ang values ng P is true, tapos values naman ng Q is true, is magiging ang result niya is P or Q is true. Dito sa PPT is true. Kapag naman may yung true is sa values ng P is true, dito naman sa Q is false, is ang result niya is false. Gaya ng kanina is kapag true is true. Dito naman is, pag false naman ng both poles is, ang result niya is true. Ganun lang po. Parang opposite ng disconjunction at saka conjunction. Thank you.
Name is Jamil Noren. So, the next one is local equality. So, dito sa local equality, kung ano yung value ng isang problem is ganun din yung magiging result niya. So, for example, may statement A and B. So, yung dalawang statement na yun, kapag true yun, so definitely magiging true din yung result niya. So, kapag may yung state A and B naman is magkapareho ng value, so magiging false siya kasi different value na siya. So, magkaiba na yung value niya, kaya magiging false na siya. Magiging true lang siya kapag yung value ng dalawang statement is true. In short, madali lang tong local equality kasi kapag both true is magiging true rin yung result. Kapag yung isa naman is true and false, magiging false siya kasi dapat pareho yung value niya. So, another example is magbibigay ako ng example but numerical siya. So, for instance, yung statement A and B na yon. So, yung statement A is 5 plus 5 then is equal to 10. Then, yung statement B is 6 plus 4 is also equal to 10. So, di ba magkapareho ng value? So, magiging true siya kasi pareho sila ng value. So, magiging false naman siya kapag, for example, yung statement A is 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Then, yung statement B is 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. So, di ba yung statement na yon is magkaiba. So, false na yun siya kasi magkaiba sila ng value. The next one is local NOT. So, dito naman kapag ang value ng isang situation or problem solving is magiging true lang siya kapag so dito magiging true lang siya kapag may false dun sa statement na yon. So, for example is balik tayo dun sa statement A and B. So, kapag yung statement A and B are both true, magiging false siya kasi nga, magiging true lang siya kapag yung both A and B is meron false doon. Balik na naman tayo dun sa numerical. So, kapag yung statement A is 5 plus 5 is equal to 10, and then yung statement B is 6 plus 4 is equal to 10 is false siya kasi nga magiging true lang siya kapag different yung value niya. So, parang opposite lang to siya ng local equality. So, for instance, statement A and B, yung statement A is 5 plus 5 is 10, and plus yung statement B is 5 plus 6 is 11. So, true siya kasi magkaiba yung value ng dalawang statement. So, madali lang tong intindihin, guys. So madali lang po itong intindihin kasi ganun din ito sa gi-explain ni Sir last meeting. Next one is logical NOR. So, dito naman is parang opposite siya ng logical NOT. Kasi dito naman, madali lang talaga to kasi magiging false naman siya kapag yung dalawang value is may true doon. So, kapag yung dalawang value na yon is true, so, ang result niya is false. So, kapag yung statement A and B is magkapareho or true siya, so, magiging false po siya. Magiging false po siya. So, for example, is, 5 plus 5 is equal to 10 and 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. So, ang result niya is false kasi yung both na yun is true. So, dito, madali lang to siya kasi kapag true yung result ng isang situation, so is magiging false siya. Kapag yung both na yun is true, magiging false yung answer.